Ready to hit the car show, car meet, or just provide some protection for your car? Well, check out Undrdog Quick Detailer. Okay, so we have a lot of clients that keep their cars relatively clean, like you see here. They get maybe a little bit of dust and they're looking for a quick detailer to take to a car show, a car meet, or they just want to maintain that car and maintain some protection. And so I'm going to show you how we use Quick Detailer from Undrdog right here. Okay, just a quick disclaimer before we start talking about application of the Quick Detailer. Anytime your car is dirty or dusty and you're wiping it down, you run an increased risk of swirling the paint. We don't want to do that. So if you're ever in doubt as if your car is too dirty before you use Quick Detailer, always wash it first. But in this case, this car was just recently washed yesterday and it's been sitting around and not dirty. Okay, so what are we going to use for this project? We're going to use our Quick Detailer from Undrdog. I've got 2 microfiber towels and I'm going to explain the purpose of having 2 in just a second. And we're going to apply it in the shade and we're going to work panel by panel. It's very important to make sure that we are the ones drying and leveling and wiping off this Quick Detailer. We don't want it to air dry. That's not the point. We're going to wipe it off. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray it a foot or 2 feet from the panel or so. And then we're going to use our damp towel, and by damp I mean it has Quick Detailer on it, the original Quick Detail spray. And then what we're going to do, we're going to set this aside and we're going to use this one. This is the dryer towel, and we're going to wipe off the remaining residue. And then we're going to continue that for the whole vehicle. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the wet towel, and when we spray the hood, for example, this is safe on matte paint, so that's good news. We're going to use that same wet towel for the initial application, the initial wipe. And if you were paying attention and it shows up well enough on camera, you'll see that this Quick Detailer has sort of not changed the sheen. It's still a matte satin finish, but it's deepened it, which is a really nice look. It's subtle. You probably wouldn't know if I didn't tell you, or you weren't paying attention. So we got a little bit of streaks remaining, and that's what we have this dry towel for. So if you're looking for a fast and efficient, easy to use product, look no further than Undrdog Quick Detailer to keep your car looking sharp between washes.